guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you are having a fabulous day. We have come to day 9 of Vlogmas. I have never posted this much in my entire life, so not only am I proud of myself, but I just thank you guys for giving me the encouragement. You guys are like hyping me up and I'm loving it, but I still appreciate all the comments, the likes, the shares. I truly appreciate it. This is like hard work. I am not a full-time vlogger. I am not a full-time YouTuber. I am not a full-time social media anything. So just finding the time to do these videos in between like my daily like routine, it's challenging, but I mean, I'm enjoying it. And I truly thank you guys so very much. If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button down below. While you're at it, there's that bell notification. Hit that as well so that you're aware each and every time I upload a new video. So it's Monday. It's been like a busy Monday at work, but it's been like a blah Monday. Like I've just been in like such a blah mood. I think the weather might have something to do with it too, because it's been overcast today, but like I found myself wanting another cup of coffee this afternoon, and I try to limit myself to 1 cup of coffee these days, but I was like, maybe I'll feel better if I have another cup of coffee. But so yeah, it's been a blah Monday, but it's been fairly productive at work. I had several meetings that were very productive, and I got some stuff accomplished, so I won't really complain. Guys, if you're new here, I love all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I absolutely love handbags. I'm a handbag girly, so I do a lot of handbag reviews. If those are things that interest you, then definitely hit that subscribe button. But anyways, let's get into today's video. So my bag of the day, and if you're new here, just to restate, for Vlogmas, I'm reviewing or, quickly going over 1 bag a day out of my collection. And every day I choose a different bag. I choose different designers. It's just whatever my heart desires for that particular day. Well, in today's video, the bag I'm going to show you guys is a oldie but goodie. Unfortunately, it's discontinued by Louis Vuitton, but there are some other alternatives that look not similar, but somewhat in the same, like they could be maybe cousins, right? Maybe not sisters, but cousins. So today's bag, it's one of my favorites. I know you guys hear that a lot, but truly this is one of my favorite bags. I carry it a ton. Last year, I want to say it made my most used top 5 video, but I absolutely love this bag. And that's none other than the Montaigne BB. This is the BB size. So this bag came in 2 sizes, BB and MM. The BB, of course, was smaller, like BB, you could say baby, MM, medium. But the bag is empreinte leather, and this color was like rouge navy or something, because it was this navy color, but then it had this very pretty red lining. The bag has feet at the bottom. There's 4 feet, and there's gold hardware, if you could see that. The bag itself, I've carried top handle and I carry it crossbody. So I'll show you guys those few details. On the inside, there's 3 main compartments. So there's this side, there's a middle zipper right here, and then there is the outside pocket, or inside to the left pocket. I keep my straps in my bag, so I'll remove the strap for right now. But this is the zipper compartment. So the bag is very spacious. It can fit a full-size wallet. It can fit all your, daily needs. Maybe a small, a mini iPad you could get away with it with this bag. But I've always felt like the bag was a very nice size bag. It has a removable strap, so it's a detachable strap, but it is not adjustable. It is one size, but for reference, I'm 5'8", and I have worn this bag crossbody multiple times, and I'll insert some photos at the end. But it does have gold hardware, so the little claw clips are gold, and they just say LV on them. And then on the inside of the bag, where they would connect, it's like alternating sides. So there is a D-ring right here, and then the other D-ring is right here. So when you connect the strap, it's kind of like opposite ends, if that makes sense. But like I said, I carry this bag crossbody a lot, and I personally, I like the way it lays on my frame. As far as where it hits me like right above the hip, and so I like that. There are a lot of bags that I've passed on over the years because the strap wasn't adjustable, and it wasn't long enough for my frame, and it set awkward, and I wasn't willing to buy another strap, and I didn't have one already in my collection that would look good with the bag, so I just passed. But this cutie right here I've had for several years. It's still in excellent condition. I do try to take care of all of my bags. The Empreinte leather I feel is very, very durable, and then it's a dark color, so of course naturally it's easier to care for because it's so very dark. This bag did come with like some little accessories, and just being completely honest with you guys, I haven't used any of them. So this thing right here, I think I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen, but basically it can hang from the bag. I've never used it. As you can see, it's like folded up because it's still been in like the little dust bag that it came in all these years. I've never used it. I have a ton of lock and keys. So when I was looking in my closet, I'm not even sure if a lock and key goes inside of this thing. I have to do more research because I have tons of locks and keys, you know, in little dust bags, but I don't know if this bag came with one or if this goes with like another purse. Usually I don't put the locks on my bags, so they just sit like in the area I have them in, and they just sit, you know, in the dust bag like this. Additionally, this bag came with like this little strap. It reminds me of a keep-all because the keep-all has these kind of straps, and it's basically to hold the two top handles together like so. But again, I've never used this either. So this little piece has also just been sitting in the dust bag since I purchased the bag. And it's been just personal preference. I haven't had a need for it, so I set it to the side. But I do keep these items in the dust bag that they came with, because I do try to care for them just on the off chance I was to ever get rid of it, or if someone had the similar bag and they wanted to purchase these extra items, you know, have at it. The other thing, when I carry this bag, I like to carry a particular SLG. So this is one of the inserts from the Felici pochette. I went over one the other day. I can't remember, maybe it was like day 4 or 5, but this was in the same color as the bag, this rouge navy color. So when I carry this bag, I like to use one of the inserts from the pochette because it's the same color, and this is the insert that has the card slots. So there's 8 card slots, 4 on each side, and then there is a space in the middle where I can put bills, and the card slot just says Louis Vuitton Paris. So I tend to always carry this little wallet, right, with this bag because I like the way it looks. And then of course I'll have like some type of toiletry bag or mini pochette to keep like my lip gloss and stuff like that in. And then I'll have, you know, all the other stuff that I carry on a daily basis. But this is one of my absolute favorite bags. I know, I say it often, but seriously, this is definitely one of my top 5 bags. Definitely top 10. I think top 5 too, but definitely top 10. But I've carried this bag so much over the years, and it's just such a great bag. It's a great design. Not sure why they discontinued it. Oh, the only other thing I forgot to show you guys, there is a clip to close it, right? So for added security, which again, that's why I don't understand why they discontinued this bag, but there is a clip to close it. So yeah, in addition to Empreinte, this bag also came in monogram, and it was very, very popular. I probably saw more monogram pieces in this bag than I did Empreinte. So if you have either version, let me know down below. In the Emprunt, it also came in black. I want to say there was like a maroonish, pinkish color. And then outside of that, can't remember off the top of my head, but I adore this bag. So I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I hope you are enjoying seeing my collection. And if there's anything that you guys would like to see specifically, or anything that you guys would like me to go in more detail on in a later video, let me know down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and until tomorrow, be safe.